Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Jessica Rosete, 34 years of age, live here in the Philippines. I am married, blessed with two children, ages 16 and 6. I am the oldest of five siblings. I am a college undergrad of nursing. This is my first time to go abroad, but ma'am, sir, I have experience for almost 5 years here in the Philippines. I serve a family couple with two children ages 5 and newborn. My duties and responsibilities as a helper is doing the household chores like cooking delicious food and nutritious food, preparing a meal, cleaning the house, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing clothes, gardening, marketing, and I also know how to drive, and especially taking care of children. Keep them safe, loving them as my own. Mom, sir, if you hire me, I am willing to learn everything. I am responsible, hardworking, honest, trustworthy, and multitasker. I will promise to do my best to serve your family. I will obey your house rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.